The world of work is changing faster than ever, and today I am going to show you an AI tool so powerful that it has the potential to replace up to 90% of the tasks people do in a typical office job. I'm not exaggerating. This tool combines writing, analysis, automation, research, planning, communication, and even creative work into one system. And the craziest part, most people still have no idea it exists or how to use its full potential. In this video, I'm going to explain what this tool can do, why it's different from every AI you've seen before, and how it can literally take over entire workflows that usually require multiple employees. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to automate your daily tasks, save hours every single day, and work like you've got your own digital army working behind the scenes. Let's start with what makes this new AI tool so revolutionary. Unlike older AI models that could only respond to simple questions or generate short texts, this tool is built to operate like a real digital worker. It can manage long projects, understand complex instructions, break them into steps, and complete tasks without needing constant supervision. Instead of just reacting to your messages, it takes initiative, asks smart questions when needed, and continues working until the job is done. Imagine waking up in the morning, opening your laptop, and seeing that your AI assistant has already written your reports, answered your emails, prepared your meeting notes, analyzed your spreadsheets, and generated a presentation for your team. That's exactly what this tool is designed to do. It's not just an AI chatbot. It's a full productivity system. So what kinds of tasks can it actually handle? Let's go through the most impressive ones. First, writing and content creation. This AI can write blogs, emails, social media posts, scripts, guides, proposals, summaries, and reports. But it doesn't just generate text. It writes in a consistent style, follows formatting rules, and can write long documents with multiple chapters. You can also train it on your own writing style, so everything sounds like you. This alone replaces hours of typing, editing, and researching. Second, research. The tool can collect information, analyze multiple sources, compare data, summarize complex topics, and turn everything into easy-to-read explanations. Instead of spending hours on Google, you get everything in minutes in a clean and organized format. Third, data analysis. This is where things get really impressive. The AI can read spreadsheets, detect patterns, calculate trends, identify mistakes, create charts, and even predict future outcomes. For many office workers, this kind of analysis used to require experience with Excel, formulas, or even coding. Now it only needs a single request. Fourth, writing and responding to emails. Most office employees spend 1 to 2 hours per day just answering emails. This AI can read your inbox, understand the tone, draft replies, summarize conversations, and maintain professional communication without sounding robotic. You can approve replies with one click. Fifth, planning and task management. You can give the AI a goal, and it will plan the entire workflow, break it into tasks, set deadlines, and even create checklists. It thinks like a project manager, not just a tool. Sixth, presentations. The tool can generate slide layouts, write speaker notes, create visuals, and structure everything into a clean, professional presentation. And if you need changes, it updates everything instantly. But the most shocking feature is this. The AI can connect to other tools, websites, and platforms to automate actions. It can fill out forms, extract data, send emails, organize files, generate images, schedule meetings, rewrite documents, or even run full marketing workflows. This is why I said it replaces 90% of office tasks. It's not just doing one job, it's doing dozens at the same time. Let us go deeper and look at real examples of how people are already using this AI tool in their daily work. Example 1. Customer support. Instead of replying to every customer manually, the AI writes responses, solves problems, gathers information, and escalates only the complex cases. One person can now handle what used to require a whole team. Example 2. Marketing departments. Marketers use the AI to generate content calendars, write product descriptions, analyze competitors, plan ad campaigns, create landing pages, and optimize SEO. Tasks that normally take days can be done in a couple of hours. Example 3. HR teams. The tool can draft job descriptions, screen resumes, write interview questions, summarize candidate profiles, and handle internal communication. HR workers save enormous time and avoid repetitive tasks. Example 4. Finance departments. The AI can analyze expenses, check invoices, identify errors, summarize financial reports, and generate forecasts. Even people with no finance background can get high-level insights instantly. Example 5. Entrepreneurs and freelancers. Solo workers use this AI as a virtual employee. It builds their website content, writes client proposals, creates pricing structures, analyzes competitors, and designs full business plans. Your output becomes the equivalent of a small team. So how does this AI tool actually work under the hood? The simple explanation is that it combines several advanced systems: a large language model for understanding and writing text, a reasoning engine for planning and problem solving, a memory system that stores background knowledge about your tasks, a tool system that lets the AI interact with external apps, and an automation engine that keeps working in the background. The result is an assistant that doesn't just answer questions, but actually understands your goals. If you say, "Help me plan a marketing campaign," it doesn't ask you 20 questions. It creates the campaign, writes the content, builds the timeline, and only asks for details if something is missing. This level of autonomy is what makes it so different from older AI tools. Instead of micromanaging every step, you just describe the final result you want, and the AI figures out the path to get there. Let us talk about why this tool is going to replace such a huge percentage of office tasks. Reason 1. 80% of office work is digital and repetitive. That includes writing, replying, organizing, calculating, planning, checking, filling out forms, copying information from one place to another, and updating documents. AI is perfect for these tasks because it's fast, consistent, and doesn't get tired. Reason 2. Most office tasks follow patterns. If there's a predictable structure, the AI can learn it, and once it learns it, it can repeat it over and over again without mistakes. Reason 3. The AI doesn't need breaks, salaries, training, or motivation. It works 24/7. It can finish overnight what you would normally complete in several days. Reason 4. Companies want efficiency. AI automation is cheaper, faster, and more reliable than human labor for repetitive work. This doesn't mean jobs disappear immediately, but job roles will change dramatically. Let's go deeper into the impact on the future of work. In the next 3 to 5 years, most office workers will not be doing tasks manually anymore. Instead, they'll supervise AI systems, review outputs, and focus on decision-making instead of execution. The AI will handle the heavy lifting. Workers who know how to use these AI tools will get ahead. Workers who ignore them risk falling behind simply because AI makes others much more productive. Companies will start hiring fewer people for basic tasks and more people who can manage AI workflows. This means that learning how to use these tools today is one of the most valuable skills you can develop. Now let's talk about how you can use this AI tool starting today. The first step is to identify the parts of your daily work that take the most time. This could be writing emails, preparing reports, researching topics, organizing documents, or analyzing data. Make a list of your top 5 time-consuming tasks. The second step is to turn these tasks into clear instructions for the AI. The tool works best when you give it context. For example, instead of saying, "Write me an email," you could say, "Write a professional email to a client explaining the delay in their project, offering a new timeline, and maintaining a positive tone." When you give clarity, the AI returns results that feel almost human. The third step is to build ongoing workflows. For example, daily summary of your inbox, weekly report of your team's progress, monthly financial overview, automatic generation of content plans, automatic creation of social media posts. The AI can repeat these tasks again and again without you lifting a finger. The fourth step is to connect the AI with your other tools: calendar, email, spreadsheets, CRM systems, project management apps. You can connect all of them so the AI has full access to the information it needs. The fifth step is to let the AI run tasks in the background while you focus on bigger decisions. This is where you start feeling the real power of automation. Your productivity increases dramatically, and your stress decreases because you're no longer juggling dozens of tasks at once. So what does this all mean for the future? It means the workplace is heading toward a hybrid model where every human has an AI partner. Not a simple chatbot, but a powerful digital worker that handles research, writing, analysis, communication, and repetitive tasks. Employees will focus more on creativity, strategy, and decision-making, the things AI can't fully replace. But those who learn to use this tool now will have the biggest advantage. You can literally outperform people with years of experience simply because you have an AI that multiplies your output. The question is not whether AI will replace jobs. The real question is, will you be the person using AI, or will AI be used to replace you? The future doesn't belong to the fastest typers or the best multitaskers. It belongs to the people who know how to use AI to amplify their abilities. This new AI tool isn't just a technology, it's a shift in how work is done. It's the beginning of a world where anyone, student, employee, freelancer, business owner, can work with the productivity of an entire team. If you start using it today, you'll immediately feel the difference. Faster output, fewer mistakes, less stress, and more time to focus on things that truly matter. This is the future of work, and it's already here.